Today on Bridging Futures, RUSD's Educational Safety and Security conducts anti-bullying assemblies.
I want you guys to be the example of how it is to treat each other with respect. And I gotta point out one thing I want you guys to realize. As I'm looking around, this school is filled with diversity. And that means difference.
The Rialto Unified School District Safety Department is moving forward with launching its student intervention prevention programs throughout the district. One of the key components of that is our anti-bullying program. We realize that direct engagement is the most powerful tool in order for us to be able to make inroads with our students in terms of them making right decisions and dealing with the daily challenges that they face.
My opinion on the bullying is that I feel like people should know that their rights from wrongs. So this shows people that doing bad things can become like, you can have consequences, you have a lot of things that are bad. So doing good things will give you good things back.
Encouraging our students to make good choices, to be kind, to stand up, be the kind of bystander when they're seeing something that's wrong, to stand up and speak up and befriend kids who need extra support. So the work that the safety department is doing to support our students in our community, especially in the environment that we have today, that it's just important to be kind.
It's something, skills that they can learn of how to treat people, what to look out for, and something, of course, they can take on to high school. So when I heard about it, it was something definitely I felt our students needed to hear.